we are going to be doing a taste test comparison of the DureLife Xylitol with the Health Garden Xylitol. They are both sugar alternatives, but this one says it has aftertaste-free sweetener. But basically, are same down to everything from being from Birch, keto-friendly, 1-for-1 sweetener. So on the left, we have the DureLife, and on the right, we have the Health Garden Xylitol. We'll try the Health Garden first. Now we'll try the DureLife. Gonna have to try this one more time. Tasting the Health Garden again. So my conclusion, I would think that the aftertaste-free version of the Xylitol just means that the taste goes away a little bit faster compared to Health Garden, which probably lasted maybe a couple of seconds longer taste-wise. But they both taste the same and they're both great. And this has been the comparison of the Health Garden and DureLife Xylitol.